Hello, hello, I'm back again. Okay, I reconfigured everything. Okay, you ready for this? Okay, this is part 2. So if anybody's wondering what the heck is going on, go back to part 1. It's kind of amusing. It's me being a pain, kind of just stupid. In any case, okay. So I have a new one of these. This is called a washer. You see how it has the protruding little angle thing here, and and then there's the hole for the grommet. Okay, so what I did was I took these little handy dandy little scissor type things, okay, and I cut a little hole. I actually literally bent the fabric in half. This is my test fabric, obviously, and I just did a little snip, and then I bent it in half the other way, and I did another little snip. So it made like a little 4-corner intersection, you see? See that a little bit? Yeah, okay. So then, that way it already has its hole to go into. Then you slide it through here. Okay. Alright. I still haven't gotten very far, so we'll see if this actually works. So then you do this. I'm guessing. You know what? Hold on. Because I do need it doubled up a little. They were right. So, now I just have to make sure that I can double up another part of it. So I will make, see, I'm taking a pencil and I'm making a mark on my finger. Oh, I'm good. On the fabric, though, so you know where else to go, Miss Zozo. Yeah, I just called myself Miss Zozo. That's a sign. Um, crap. I folded it in half, but now I can't see the mark. Are you serious? Come on, man. Fine. And then all of you at home are like, why doesn't she just use the clippers to make the same mark? Because that would be too easy for me. Oh, crap. See, that's why I shouldn't just do that. Oh, wrong way. You fold on the mark. There we go. And then you do another little one. Okay, so then, crap, I keep losing all these tears. Okay. So then you put them together. Ah, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. So then we take this and we stick it through the hole. And then we take this, okay, force grommet in hole from the right side of fabric. Place washer dome side up. Over post of grommet. Okay, that's what I just did. And then position grommet and fabric in pliers with grommet post up towards punch. What does that mean? Do you understand? Okay, I'm gonna try not to let this get long. Position grommet and fabric in pliers with grommet post up. Oh, post up, like I was holding it. Okay. Oh, however, I do need to change the pliers. So this, how does one, ah, look at that, it moves. Okay. Hold up. This is confusing. Alright, I'm gonna try it. Ready? Ready, people? I'm not sure if I'm ready for this one. And then you just do that. That still got me nowhere. Ah! Crap. What did I do? Oh no. Oh no, guys. Oh no. I got the grommet. Ugh, stuck on here. Okay. Saw that one coming, didn't ya? All you people out there that are like, she doesn't know how to use a grommet. I know you're out there laughing at me, so just... No, it has to be side up. I don't understand. People, help me. Somebody show me how to make this grommet thing work. Nope, that didn't do it. Let's try it this way. Yarg! It's a little closer. Yeah, it still didn't do anything. Help! Back in a few.